Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable airplane mode on Dell Rugged. To do this, first we'll need to click on the Start, then move to the Settings. Here enter Network and Internet, there's airplane mode. You can activate or deactivate it. You can also click on the arrow next to it to manage which of the functions will be enabled or disabled. Now for some reason this right here is in Russian and it basically means Wi-Fi, so you can enable or disable Wi-Fi when you're using airplane mode, and the same goes with the Bluetooth. Now the other way to enable your airplane mode is to click on this icon right here. There's airplane mode right here as a tile, and you can enable or disable it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.